everyone. Happy Freedom Friday. Before I go into today's topic, I just want to take a moment to acknowledge that it's Good Friday. For many of us, it's a day of reflection, a day where we slow down a bit and think about what really matters. And honestly, I think that this makes today the perfect day to talk about something real. Not hype, not promises, but the truth about recurring income in South Africa. But it's also Freedom Friday. Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. It's so great to have you here. Whether you're joining me live or catching the replay, you are exactly where you need to be today. If you're watching the live, say hello so that I can recognize you. And if you're on the replay, drop a replay. I'd love to connect with you later. And if you want my free guide, no time, no money, no problem, just comment no dash time on the comments and I will send it to you. Now, for those who don't know me, my name is Lynette Barnard, and I'm coming to you from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa, ZAS. For the past 10 years, I've been helping everyday people, entrepreneurs, professionals, and even complete beginners learn how to build recurring income online in a simple and structured way. Let me ask you something. How many people here feel no matter how hard they work, it's just not enough anymore? Hi Henry, I see you here. Guys, welcome to those people. But the cost of living keeps going up. Petrol goes up, foods go up, everything's go up, except our income. And the biggest problem? Most people only have one source of income. So the moment that income stops, everything stops. That's the reality for most South Africans right now. So let's talk about the truth. The traditional way we've been taught to earn money is this. You work, you get paid, and then it starts again next month. But here's the problem. You have to keep starting over. That means if you stop working, you stop earning. If something happens, your income is gone. Recurring income is different. It means that you do the work once and you get paid over and over again. Now let's be honest. The moment people hear recurring income, they immediately think, scam, or this sounds too good to be true. And I understand that because a lot of people have been burnt before. But here's the truth. Recurring income is not the problem. The model is not the problem. The problem is the wrong systems, the wrong expectations, and sometimes the wrong people. So the real question is not, does recurring income work? The real question is, am I building something that can pay me more than once? Because think about it. If you only earn once for your effort, you will always be under pressure. But if you start building something that pays you again and again, now you are creating stability. And this is exactly why I started looking at other ways of earning. Not because I wanted something fancy, but because I wanted something reliable, something that doesn't disappear overnight, something that I can build over time. And I know many of you feel the same. You are not looking for a miracle. You are just looking for something that makes sense. So today, instead of trying to convince anyone, I just want to say this. If you've been thinking about creating an extra income, if you've been feeling the pressure, if you know that one income is just not enough anymore, maybe today is a good day to reflect on that. Not rush, not panic, just think about it properly. Most South Africans think they understand recurring income, but the truth is, most people are getting it completely wrong. I also thought it means just getting paid every month until I realized why most people never actually earn consistently. It's not automatic. It's not quick money. It needs the right system. There's a specific way I've been using it for 10 plus years and it actually works. And today we are having a real conversation about it. Not about hype, not about get rich quick, not false promises. I never do that. We are talking about the truth about recurring income in South Africa. But there's a lot of confusion out there. First of all, let's get real about income. Let's start with something very simple, but very real. I want to ask you a question, and I'd love you to actually answer me in the comments. How are most people earning their income today? Is it a salary, wages, maybe commissions, maybe a small side hustle? If that's you, just type me in the comments. Now let me say this clearly. There's absolutely nothing wrong with earning an income this way. It's honest, it's respectable, and for many people, it's necessary. But here's where the challenges comes in. And I really want you to hear this part. Most income in South Africa is once-off income. Let me explain what I mean by that in a very simple way. You work, you get paid. You stop, the income stops. That's it. Let me ask you something else. If you don't go to work for a week, what happens to your income? Type stops in the comments if you know the answer. And this is not about blaming jobs or saying anything wrong about employment. This is just about understanding how the system works. Because once you understand it, you can start making better decisions. Now here's what this type of income creates over time. Pressure. Let's break that down. Pressure to wake up every day and show up, even if you are tired. Pressure to keep working, even when life happens. Pressure to keep chasing the next payment or the salary. And I want to ask you another something honestly. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, it's just never quite enough? And if it's you, type relate in the comments. Because for many people, it feels like you get paid, you pay bills, and then you start again. Month after month, year after year. And then something unexpected happens. A car repair, a medical expense, school fees, even just rising food prices, or the war that causes the huge escalation in petrol price. How is this going to affect you? And suddenly, that income doesn't stretch anymore. But do you feel like the income is growing faster or your expenses? Type income or expenses in the chat. For most people, it's expenses. And that's where the stress starts building. Because now it's not just about earning, it's about surviving. And here's something very important I want you to understand. The problem is not that people are not working hard. South Africans are some of the hardest working people. The problem is the type of income most people rely on. Because when your income is only linked to your time, there's always a limit. You only have 24 hours in a day. You can only work so much. You can only stretch yourself so far. But let me ask you a deeper question. What happens if something in your life changes? You get sick, you need time off, you want to spend more time with your family, or you simply feel burnt out. What happens to your income then? This is where many people start realizing there has to be another way. Not instead of what you are doing, but in addition to it, something that doesn't rely only on your time, doesn't reset at zero every month, and can grow over time. And that's where the conversation around recurring income begins. So now that we understand how most income works, let's talk about a different way of thinking about income and what recurring income really means. And that's the second part. Secondly, what recurring income really means. Let's simplify it. Recurring income means you do the work once and you get paid again and again over time. Not forever without effort, that doesn't exist, but in a more leveraged and structured way. Examples people already understand is insurance premiums. If you are an insurance company and you get a lot of customers, they pay every month. Next month you add more customers and your income increases. So do subscription services like streaming platforms and gym memberships. These businesses don't start from zero every month. They build continuity. Now here's the important part. Recurring income is not instant money, not guaranteed income or passive income from day one. It requires time, consistency, learning, and systems. And thirdly, why this matters so much in South Africa. Let's bring this home. In South Africa, we are dealing with rising cost of living, limited job opportunities, high financial pressure, and many people are trying to solve this by working harder, adding more hours, taking on more stress. But what if the solution is not just working harder? What if it's working smarter and more sustainably? Recurring income gives you stability over time, the ability to build something that grows, less dependency on a single source, and that's powerful. And next, let's look at the biggest misconceptions about recurring income. Yeah, there are a lot of them. This is where I really want you to lean in a little bit, because this section can completely change how you see recurring income. And I'd love you to interact with me here. Don't just watch, be part of the conversation. Now, the first misconception is it's too good to be true. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen an opportunity online and thought, this sounds too good to be true? If that's you, just type me in the comments. Here's the thing. That reaction is actually very normal, especially in South Africa, where people have been exposed to empty promises, get-rich-quick schemes, lots of them, things that don't deliver. So, of course, you become cautious. And that's not a bad thing, but here's the real truth. Real recurring income is not magic, it's not instant, and it's not overnight success. It's built. Let me put it this way. If you go to the gym once, do you expect results? Type yes or no in the comments. Yes, exactly. No, you do not expect results if you visit the gym once. But if you show up consistently, follow a structure, stick with it, then over time results come. Recurring income works the same way. So instead of asking, is this too good to be true? Ask yourself, am I willing to be consistent long enough to see results? I want to repeat this. Am I willing to be consistent long enough to see results? The second misconception is you'll need to sell products all day. Now let's talk about this one, because this one scares people away fast. When people hear online income, they immediately think selling, pressure, chasing people. Let me ask you, who here does not like selling? Type no selling in the comments. You are not alone. Here's the truth. Not all systems require you to sell products. There are models where your role is simply to share information, help people understand, connect them to a platform. That's it. You're not forcing anyone. You're not convincing anyone. You're not begging people to join. You are simply saying, here's the information, you decide. Let me ask you this. Which feels better, chasing people or sharing information and letting people choose? Type A or B in the comments, please. And that's exactly what it is. That shift alone changes everything. Misconception number 3, you need a big following. This one I hear all the time. I don't have enough followers. I don't know enough people. Let's test this quickly. How many of you feel you don't have a big enough network to build a business? Type small in the comments. And then listen carefully. You don't need thousands of people. You need the right people. Because income doesn't come from likes, views, and followers. It comes from trust, connection, and consistency. Let me ask you, would you rather have 5,000 followers who ignore you, or B, 50 people who trust you? Type A or B in the comments. Yeah, exactly. Because when people trust you, they listen. And when they listen, they take action. So stop thinking, I need more people. And start thinking, I need to communicate better with the people I already have. Misconception number 4, it's only for certain people. You're lucky. Now, this one is a big one, and it's a bit more personal, because this is what people tell themselves. I'm not confident enough. I'm not good with tech. I don't know what to say. And let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like this might work for others, but not for you? Type yes in the comments if you are honest. Thank you for being real. And let me tell you something important. Nobody starts out confident. Nobody starts out knowing everything. Everyone starts out unsure, nervous, figuring out things. The difference is some people just stop there. Others decide to learn anyway. Another question, which one are you? Wait until you feel ready, or B, start and grow into it. Type A or B in the comments, because here's the truth. This is not about who you are today. It's about who you are willing to become. So let's bring this all together. If this made sense to you, type value in the comments. It's not too good to be true. It just takes time. It's not about selling, it's about sharing. It's not about big numbers, it's about real connection. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. And here's my final question for you. Are you open to learning a new way of creating income step by step? If yes, type ready into the comments. Now, what actually works? Let's look at that. From my 10 plus years of experience, here's what actually works. Simplicity, structure, systems, and consistency. Not chasing trends, jumping from opportunity to opportunity, expecting overnight results. And one of the biggest shifts people need to make is this. Move from quick cash thinking to long-term income thinking, because recurring income is built over time. Now, lastly, my personal perspective. Over the years, I've seen people start with nothing. A lot of them were in debt review and battled to survive. Some of them, or a lot of them, feel overwhelmed. Some of them can hardly speak English, but they still did it in their own mother tongue. Some of them doubt themselves, lots of them. And slowly, they build confidence, they build structure, they build income streams. Not perfectly, not instantly, but consistently. And that's what creates real change. If this message resonates with you and you want to understand how to get started in a simple, structured way, I've created a free guide for you. No time, no money, no problem. Go here, https://go.lynettebaardnors.com/no time. I spell my name LINNETteBADENHORST.com/no time. Or just comment no time in the comments and I'll send it to you immediately. Excuse me. Also, if you're enjoying these sessions, head over to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery. And then you can visit my blog, lynettebaardnors.com/blogs, where I share weekly insight, simple strategies, step-by-step guidance. But lastly, let me share something with you. I remember speaking to someone not too long ago, a normal, everyday person, working hard, doing everything right, showing up every day, earning an income, paying bills, but constantly feeling like I'm working so hard, but I'm not getting ahead. One day, they said something that really stuck with me. I don't need millions, I just need breathing room. Just a little bit of extra income to not stress at the end of the month, not panic when something unexpected happens, not feel stuck. And that's where it started. Not with a big leap, not with a huge risk, just a decision. A decision to learn something new. Try a different approach. Start building something on the side. They didn't quit their job. They didn't have everything figured out. They just started step by step. And over time, things began to shift. Confidence grew. Understanding improved. And slowly, income started to build. Not overnight, not perfectly, but consistently. It starts with one decision. Make that decision when you feel ready. Just imagine for a moment how your life could change if you are willing to learn how to create a second income stream. in a way that fits your current lifestyle without needing to quit your job or put yourself under financial pressure. And remember, you don't have to figure out everything on your own. I'm here to guide you, to support you, and to walk with you through on this journey. If you like more information on what I'm doing, you're welcome to message me. I'll share the information with you and you can then decide for yourself. No pressure. And thank you so much for joining me this Freedom Friday. I hope that I've helped you to see things a little bit differently. Recurring income is not about how. It's about building something real, step by step. Start where you are. Stay consistent. Keep learning. Your journey to financial independence doesn't happen overnight. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent, and remember, build once, grow over time. Have a blessed Good Friday, and I'll speak to you soon.